Hi everyone, I wanted to create this video to show you a solution that I have for powering the Blink cameras. So this Blink camera is about almost 2 years old, and it was using a lithium battery that was Energizer brand, and it lasted about 1.5 years, not quite 2 years, so it was a pretty long time. So instead of buying another Energizer Lithium, I thought I would be using something that is rechargeable, that is lithium, and want to test it out and create this video and show you guys how that works out. I'm going to be showing the comparison right here on the prices difference between the Energizer Lithium against this Ebl battery. And of course, I'm going to have the link in the description for the Ebl here. If you want to buy this, if this experiment happened to turn out well and you want to buy it, please use my link in the video description and in the first comment also. I would appreciate it. All right, so I'm going to do just a quick unboxing and showing you what it comes with. So this is, again, AA, because this is AA size right there. AA size, 2 of them, but I bought a pack 4, and these are rechargeable. So let me open it right now. It came sealed. Each one of these batteries actually have the charger right built into it. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus. Right there on the top, there's a micro USB near the positive terminal, and it does come with all these cables. So it came with 4, I don't need to tear that, 4 micro USB plugs, but only 2 type A USB male. So we're gonna try to charge it using the USB plug, and I'm gonna also try to charge another set of 2 in my regular battery charger and see which one works the best. All right, so I'm gonna plug it into my, let me see here. Maybe I'll plug this one, so I can plug this one here. All right, there you go. And let me turn off this light, so hopefully you can see that there's a red glow. Let me turn off this light too. All right, so the battery is glowing red right now. So let me unplug it and then plug it back in, so you can see that it's glowing red. And let me plug in another battery here so that we're charging 2 of them at the same time. There you go. All right, so we're charging 2 right now, and I'm gonna go to my garage where I have my regular battery charger. All right, so I have this regular battery charger. The brand is Blue. I actually have a video made for this a long time ago. I'm gonna put it in the description if you're interested. All right, so right now it is charging, and let me see if I can turn this so that you can see the glow. So it also has this red glow. Oh, this one just turned blue. I don't know why. The one on the left just turned blue, and then now it's red. And then the one on the right just turned blue. All right, that's kind of strange. All right, so it has an indicator that is charging. And we're gonna leave this here and see what happened to them. They're about 40% right now, according to this indicator. Okay, the batteries that I plugged into the micro USB directly to charge is now fully charged. The color is blue, and this one right here, it was blue, and then I unplug it and I plug it back in within like 5 seconds, and then now it's red again. So I don't know what's wrong with that. Maybe in a few minutes it's probably going to turn blue. but it seems to work. The batteries that I put into the regular charger seems to be all charged up now. It's 100% and they're both showing blue. I put the charge Ebl battery into the blink. One here, there's two of them. And it seems to be working. It's powering on. And I'm going to connect it to the base station and see if it start working again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.